This is a good prep. As we can see now, all the plastic is still on the windows. We finished all the sanding. We're now prepping all the trim. This is all the caulking on the nail holes, all these white spots. Some of the joints that the owner wants us to fill it up, not all of them, but some of them they want us to fill it up, even if we know that they're not supposed to. Sometimes we do a little bit of extra work. This is a walk through the entire house. That's all the caulking, all the trim has one coat, all the primer, plastic still is on. This is a nice surface sanding underneath. Such a great job. This is a good job.